Hey there, Loren LaVassaur here with Next Level Coaching out of the Eugene branch, and I have a Friday financial tip. It's actually not about your finances, but what I want you to do in the second half of the year is become a guru at all things that have to do with income docs. One of the best things I ever did in my business was actually learn how to read tax returns and pay stubs, right? Not just look at the year to date, not just look at the OT. No, look at the deductions that are being taken out. Look at what they're contributing to their 401k. Look at whether or not they get a refund or owe at the end of the year on their taxes, right? Then meet with a financial advisor, figure out kind of what they do and what they advise people, and learn about money in general. Guys, we are here to advise people to make smart financial decisions. If someone comes to me and says they want to put 50% down, I am asking a lot of questions, all that have been prompted from research that I have done and things that I know to ask based on their taxes, based on their bigger financial picture. So become a guru in this because people are looking at us for advice and we don't want to blindly lead them down the mortgage road. That's all I got.